This is going to be some spine, pals and rals, segmentation, and also segmentation from block positions. Starting in the cat position, protract the scapula, tuck the chin, posterior pelvic tilt. You can hold this up to 1 to 2 minutes passively. Inhale for 4, exhale for 8. And then what you would want to do is push the ground apart, pushing the ground forward with the hands, pushing the ground back with the knees, almost like you're trying to tear the mat apart. And you're going to hold that, and you're going to progressively go up from 0 to 100%, and slowly climbing up from 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50% using all the back muscles here. So using your lats, your upper trapezius, your lower lumbar, your mid back, everything is engaged using the spinal column there on your posterior chain. Pushing from 0 to 100%, and then what you do is squeeze the abs, squeeze the chest, and try to pinch the ground. So you're doing the opposite. Instead of using your back muscles, use your chest and abs to pinch the ground together with your hands and your knees, and you're squeezing your abs, squeezing your chest, and you're staying in that rounded back position. From here, we're going to segment just the lower back after that, and trying just to posterior pelvically tilt to anterior pelvically tilt, and just trying to slowly work the lower lumbar. From that position, we'll try a block position, a collapse quadruped position. And that's what we're going to do here is really block the upper back so we have more control of the lower back. And so what we're doing is just segmenting that lower lumbar region from posterior to pelvic tilt to anterior pelvic tilt, but also that lower lumbar and slowly into that mid lumbar here. From here, what we'll do is go back to our cat position around the back, and we're going to segment from cat to cow, starting with the low back, to camel, whatever you want to call it. So from low back, mid back, upper back, all the way head, neck, and shoulders here are last. And so you're going to try to almost look up, dip the back, notice that strong arch in the lower back. This is that camel or cat position or camel position that we want to take. From here, what we're going to do is try to hold and breathe in this position. So just get relaxed, inhale and exhale, hold again. Demonstration is going to last a little bit shorter, but typically you'd want to hold this for 1 to 2 minutes. And after about 1 to 2 minutes here, what you're going to do is start pinching the ground. So it's the opposite of what you do in the cat position. You'll start with your abs and chest. You're going to stay in this fixed position, and you're going to squeeze the ground together to start. That will be your pals contraction. Your rals contraction will be the opposite. So we'll start with the abs and chest, anterior portion of the spine. You're going to stay in that fixed position, and you're just pinching the ground from 0 to 100%. So go from 10% to 20%, 20 to 30%, 30 to 40%, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. You should be struggling here. 60 to 70, all the way up to your 100% effort, pinching the ground with your chest. Stay in this fixed position while you're doing it, using your chest and abs. Go all the way up to 100% and hold up to 10 seconds. You should really be feeling it now. Now try to pull the ground apart or push the ground apart. Deepen the curvature of the spine here. Go deeper into that stretch and push the ground apart. Use your back to do this, not your chest. Use your back, and then slowly segment all the way back to cat. After you do that, tuck the chin. Should feel really good after you do that. And give your scapula a break and your hands a break. Give them a little quick stretch. I would probably do some more wrist stretches, but from here you can also perform that segmentation from the collapsed quadruped position, and starting with the upper back and neck and going to the mid back all the way to the low back, and then segmenting all the way back down. So this is really good. You can do this in a chair. Segmenting the back from the low to the high portion of the spine, really important for joint health and managing if you have back pain or anything like that, which I've never had. So thankfully I use these tools to keep it the way it is. And you can do some scapular CARS after that. This is going into what I think we'll go into is wrists, necks, or elbows. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe on my YouTube if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know what else you're looking to watch. Thanks.